Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an amazing seed. But before we do that, I would like to give a big shout out to X Hydro. He's a friend of mine who just started YouTube recently and he uploads Critical Ops and Among Us videos every day. So go ahead and check his channel out. His link will be in the description down below. And with that out of the way, let's begin with the video. All right, guys, so this is the seed, and I'm going to put it in the description down below as well so that you guys can directly copy paste it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and create the world and show you guys that how amazing this seed is. All right, guys, so this is where you spawn, as you guys can see. Now I'm just going to fly over this hill, all right? So the first location is a bit far, as you guys can see right over there is our first village, and it's an oak village, I know, guys. So yeah, that's the first village over there. So it's quite near to spawn. Actually, it's only about 100 blocks away, which really isn't that far if you think about it. But yeah, all right. So I'm not going to get into detail because we have so much to cover in this amazing seed. So this is the first village. And now what you need to do, all right, there's a massive cave kind of thing over here, the cave opening over here. And from that village, what you need to do is just come over a bit to this side. And we have our first desert temple, all right? And the second desert temple is actually really close to it. I'm just going to show you guys. It's somewhere hidden. But okay, so this is the first desert temple. So this is the first ruin portal right over here, as you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys. So this is the ruin portal, and right over here, as you guys can see, right over there is actually a hidden desert temple, which is really amazing. So as you guys can see, it's kind of hidden beneath the sand. I mean, you can't really make out from that far away. But you know, all the coordinates for everything will be in the description down below. So if you have any problem in finding any of the structures, you can just check the description. From here, that's the desert temple. That's the desert village over there. So that's our first desert village and our second village in general. So this is our second village, as you guys can see. And stay tuned till the end because, you know, I have a really amazing village for you, which has like 3 blacksmiths. So you do not want to miss out the coordinates for that. So this is the second village. Nothing too special about it, obviously. And right over there is the third village. All right. So actually, from here, what you need to do is just go straight ahead. I know the world is loading and it may be a bit glitchy or laggy at first, but after some time it's going to get better. Trust me on that, guys. All right, so over there, as you guys can see, so that's the ice spike biome, and here is our fourth village right over here. So as you guys can see, all right, finally got that sorted. You know, the terrain generation is kind of a bit weird sometimes, but you know, that doesn't matter. So that's the village over there. And here is our first pillager outpost that I'm showing you guys. And look at this, guys. So it's kind of weird because it's in a weird location. Look at this. It's in the water, literally. And actually, the walls go all the way down over here, as you guys can see. So literally, this is in such a weird position. I'm not even sure how. Okay, yeah, you know what? They can just swim over to the shore. That really isn't a big problem for them. But anyway, so yeah, that's the village, guys. I mean, that's the pillager outpost. All right, guys, so this is the sixth village, as you guys can see right over here. And right next to it is actually a massive ravine. So you can go ahead and explore and maybe even find some diamonds over here, which is really amazing. But now, once you move from here, as you guys can already see this, there is a pillager outpost right over here. And there is another oak village over there. So now that's the surprise I was holding for. So now this pillager outpost is kind of in the water, but not completely submerged like the other one. But you know, so this is the village, guys. So this is the grand village, which has 3 blacksmiths, guys. 3 blacksmiths in one village, which is insane. So one blacksmith over there, another over here, and the third one over here, as you guys can see. So complete proof, 3 blacksmiths, which already shows that this village and the seed in general is super duper amazing. All right, so I'm just gonna head to the 8th village actually. So as you guys can see, okay, it's right over there. It's an oak village over there. So guys, to top off this amazing seed in the end, we have an amazing jungle temple and a whole jungle biome over here, as you guys can see. Remember, the coordinates will be in the description down below. It's a bit further away from spawn, I would say, probably like 500 blocks away. That's basically it, 500 blocks away. And I know it's a bit laggy, guys, but sorry about that. Anyway, it's almost at the end of the episode. But yeah, look at this, guys. So there's, I mean, a jungle temple and a huge jungle biome. Actually, it's a jungle island, I just noticed. So in fact a jungle island because the plains biome is over there, which is separated by a river. And this is just one massive jungle island, which is super duper amazing again. And yeah, so with that, guys, we have come to an end. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now, goodbye.